It is that time. The morning starts with packing the lunches, getting the kids off to school, but we think you deserve more than the basic PB&J, Mom. It's your turn to enjoy a grown-up school lunch where the menu is a lot more exciting than juice boxes and string cheese. And for that, we look to foodie friend Chelsea Fairbourn for her roundup of local restaurants worthy of a fantastic lunch date. I love a good lunch date, and I love you. What was your criteria for this, friend?
Criteria was when you feel human and you want to go in and sit down, you can go there, but you can also order out.
When you feel human.
If you're like, I can't do it today, then that's what takeout's for, and it's great takeout.
All right, 6 options for us from Provo to Ogden. Let's start south, work our way up. What do you like in Provo?
So it's Greenhouse Salad Co., and this is a new one that I love. It's right next to BYU, biased, but it's salads bowls. And so it packs a punch, it's hearty filling, but it also is like still that light refreshing, and it's a cute spot to go with girlfriends if you want to. I love the berry bowl, and I love the salmon sriracha bowl. Both so flavorful, so clean, and yummy.
They look so fresh.
Yes.
These bowls full of color, fantastic. All right, American Fork, I've been here, Kitchen 88.
I love Kitchen 88.
It's fantastic.
It's so great for lunch or dinner. This is one of those spots where if you really are feeling human, then go in person.
It's a fun vibe.
But I order takeout there a lot, and I love tacos takeout are the best thing to order. So there's that.
Okay.
But you can't go wrong with literally anything on the menu. I love their app, so you can do small plates to share. Their peri-peri chicken's great, their steak is great, Cobb salad, all of it.
Yeah, Mark and I did a date night there not too long after Sydney was born, and we were both like, we should have ordered more. Because, you know, let's share.
Yes.
No, let's not share.
No.
Let's get multiple plates and pick off of each other's bites.
Yes.
All right, a Salt Lake find is the Robin's Nest, and I forget about this.
I love the Robin's Nest so much. This is a great sandwich and salad combo if you want that too. I love their Robin's Grill, which is kind of the classic. You got turkey, avocado, bacon, tomato on that, but they have some fun combinations if you like roast beef, if you like ham, really whatever you want. It's only open from 11 to 2, so this is a true lunch spot, which makes it really fun and filling, and you can kind of mix and match your salad combos.
And you know when a restaurant can only sustain in that limited time window that they're doing something right from 11 to 2.
They are packed from 11 to 2.
Yeah, I need to revisit that one. That's a good one. All right, this one is newer to Salt Lake, but it's a favorite in other states. What's your read on Flower Child?
Flower Child is, I love Flower Child. It's another clean eat spot. If you have any dietary restrictions, this is also going to be an amazing spot for you. They can make most things gluten-free, cater to those restrictions, and I love their salads, I love their wraps. So that's kind of the vibe. You're not going to get, I mean, pun intended, flowery with a ton of the ingredients or like flavor combinations, but it is going to be pretty straightforward, whole foods, fresh ingredients, which I appreciate.
But more basic.
Yes.
More basic. Okay, we're going Greek in Farmington.
Santorini's Greek Grill is a staple whenever I want kind of that Mediterranean fix that's not aubergine. I have to like spread the wealth.
Of course. What do you order here?
So I order the gyros. I love the gyros. I love the loaded fries. These are kind of their tacos that are really good too. This is another one. Their Greek yogurt you can get loaded with berries, honey, kind of make your own bowl, and I love that too. That's something that I think we sleep on a little bit, but you can get bowls, you can build your own, so you can really kind of, it'll meet you where you want it to be, which makes it a nice staple to have in the rotation, because you can go something that they've curated for you, or build your own concoction, which I appreciate.
Sitting here getting ridiculously hungry, like you're gonna hear my stomach in like 30 seconds. Okay, we'll finish up in Ogden, lunch at the Mercantile.
The Mercantile is a favorite spot up there. So it's kind of this market bakery with a full menu to boot for lunch. So I love their sandwich soup combos. They have daily specials, but I love their grilled cheese and tomato basil. And then you can get a bunch of different toasts. So you can get kind of a loaded toast, avocados, berries, whatever your fix is. And I also really like that you can, if you just want to get crackers and cheese or snacks to go or a scone, like they have that component too. So another meet you where you're at option.
What a great roundup. Grown-up lunches, now that we get our lunches back a little bit.
Exactly.
With kids in school. Chelsea, thank you so much. Where can we get more recommendations from you?
Your Girl Needs Food on Instagram.
Because as I like to say, your girl needs food. Always, always. Chelsea's like, yes, I've heard that before. Great job, sister. Thank you so much.